One of our biggest differentiators here at Crescent Industries comes from our award-winning in-house automation team. While at first glance this may look like any modern manufacturing facility with robots, what our automation team provides our customers is a fully custom automated manufacturing solution. These range from the most basic forms of automation such as end-of-arm tooling and collaborative robots, all the way up through fully automated work cells designed and built in-house specifically for your manufacturing needs. These fully automated work cells can handle everything from picking the part out of the injection mold, trimming and removing any excess material, performing inline quality inspections before orienting, stacking, counting, and packing your parts all in one continuous system. In walking our manufacturing floor, you'll see several examples of our automation team's work, including our diagnostic tray work cell, which produces multiple variations of a common diagnostic well plate, fully automated squeezer cap assembly work cell in our clean room, which produces two separate injection molded components, assembles them together, and counts the parts before packing them for our customers. And of course, countless examples of collaborative robots and end-of-arm tooling across our manufacturing facilities. This all sounds great, but what are the benefits at the end of the day to our customers? Well, it's no secret that labor is one of, if not the highest costs of any injection molding process. So by automating some of these more simple processes, we are able to reduce the labor required for these more repetitive and sometimes dangerous tasks, while also allowing our operators to redirect their time to higher value activities. These automated cells also often lead to an increase in injection molding throughput. By integrating these automation solutions both upstream and downstream of the injection molding process, we're able to greatly reduce handling time and ultimately produce a more consistent part more efficiently. Lastly, our automation inspection technology is able to more consistently determine what is a good or bad part using algorithms that are also developed in-house by our automation team. This leads to reduced part rejects, and all of this ultimately means a reduced overall cost while still maintaining and in some cases improving upon our manufacturing quality. We also offer an in-depth ROI analysis to our customers who are interested in these automated solutions, allowing you to thoroughly understand the upfront cost and whether or not that is worth the initial investment based on your parameters and expected volumes, allowing you to make the best decision possible for your business. If you'd like to learn more about the many manufacturing solutions that Crescent Industries offers using automation, then we'll link to some helpful resources down below. And as always, don't hesitate to reach out to us to learn how we can help bring your injection molded part to life.